is Ibrahim. And for my internship, I work at White Spot, one of the most well-known restaurant here in BC. While one White Spot been around since 1928, and it's pretty iconic, famous for legendary burger, tired pots, and just being a classic family restaurant. Gives great fresh food and create welcoming place for both guests and staff. That's the environment I got experience during my internship. I work as a cook, and my job was to help prepare and cook the dishes on the menu. I handle different station like grill, fryer, and saute, and I make sure everything was cooked properly and come out on time. I also help with preparing ingredients, keeping my area clean, and supporting the team during busy hours, especially weekend rushes. Overall, my experience was really good, and the kitchen is fast paced, but the team was super supportive. I learned a lot about staying calm under pressure, moving efficiently, and communicating with everyone so order don't get mixed up. It was fun and challenging learning experience. And during my internship, I noticed a lot of growth in myself in three big areas. And one is cooking confidence. I got faster and more comfortable with equipment, timing, and following recipe consistently. The second one is time management. Working during rush hour taught me how to multitask better and organize my workflow. And the third one is communication. I learned how important quick, clearly communication is in a kitchen, and it helped me work smoothly with the whole team. Overall, this internship helped me become more confident, skilled, and ready for real kitchen work. Again, everyone, thank you for watching my video. I'm really thankful for the team at White Spot and everything I learned during my internship. Thank you for listening and God bless.